Only when we have the Buddha, then we have this Dhamma View Sutta. Otherwise, we have to wait for long time.
我哋繼續學習呢一個轉法輪經，因為只有佛喺世間出現，我哋先至有得學呢啲經。如果唔係，就要等多唔知幾多億年啦。
Yesterday evening, we talked about right view, and the first part of right view is karma, belief in the law of karma. Second part of right view is the noble truths. This morning we will talk about the noble truths.
尋晚啦，我哋講到八正道之中嘅第一個正見啦。咁正見嘅第一部分就係、如果總結概括嚟講，就係呢個業力業報嘅法則啦。而第二步咧，就係、第二部分咧，就係呢一個四聖諦。咁而家我哋就會講呢個四聖諦。
Let me do something related to here. This is the result of the one who believe in the law of karma.
咁呢幅圖咧，就係呢度啲文字啦，就係講咗一個人如果係相信呢一個業報嘅法則嘅話咧，佢就會有咁樣嘅結果。
To perfect good karma means at all time diligently polish to remain untainted by dust. This is to polish the five aggregates so that no dust. This is the best karma that one can do.
去清淨我哋嘅心啦，即係呢一個係嚟自禪宗嘅六祖嘅師兄神秀嗰個偈啦，身是菩提樹，心是明鏡台呢一個偈啦，呢個就係去清淨即係淨化我哋嘅心嘅一個做法，就係、我哋要去即係去除呢一啲嘅污染我哋心嘅煩惱，而呢一個嘅做法本身就係一個我哋係能夠做嘅最好嘅業，就係呢一個嘅行為啦。
But the body is still there. The mind is still there. So still in the round of rebirth.
但係呢度講緊有，譬如有身體啦，有心啦，因為有呢個菩提樹同明鏡台。咁有身有心，即係代表仍然係喺呢一個生死輪迴裡面，即係我哋做最好嘅業咧，都仍然係喺呢個生死輪迴裡面嘅。
Then next slide, that's why the five The fifth patriarch said, one who follow this teaching, this poem, will be reborn in the beautiful realm of existence, but still rebirth, still in the cycle of birth and death.
所以咧，即係師傅啦，神秀師傅就講啦，神秀嘅師傅就講啦，如果大家跟隨呢一個計去修行嘅話咧，你嘅下一生咧就會能夠投胎，或者係下一生能夠生於呢一個即係一啲好嘅地方啦。咁但係咧都仍然係喺呢一個輪迴裡面只不過係更好好嘅地方啫。
Then a person doing dana, giving, observing precept, and then try to clean the mind by way of meditation, clean up the dust. So this person is considered a very good person. Next life in heaven, human being, but we don't know the karma from the past blood life. We may did something very bad. We don't know when it's give the fruit. Still in the cycle of birth and death. But this life doing good, very good thing to do. But not free yet, not enlightened yet.
咁譬如一個人做布施啦，佢持戒啦，佢去除自己嘅煩惱啦，即係叫做即係自淨其意咁樣樣啦。呢個人咧係佢係被人稱為一個係好好嘅人啦，佢係一個做好多好事一個善心嘅人啦。咁佢下一生咧，佢就會去投身喺呢個天界做天人，或者翻嚟做人，做又好有福報嘅人。咁但係都唔能夠肯定，可能佢喺好多生之前，佢做過一啲惡業，可能唔知幾時會成熟，要受惡報。而佢呢個人咧，縱使佢做到好好，都仍然係喺呢個輪迴裏面，佢未係解脫輪迴，佢仍然未開悟。
The body tree is still me, the mind is still me. That's why I have to polish. I have to polish it because the body tree is me. The mirror also me. I don't want to go down. I have to polish. Still me, I, mine. When there is me, I still in samsara, not free.
咁因為仍然有呢個心是菩提樹同埋心是明鏡台啦，佢仍然有好多工作要做，要去嘗試塵不息咁啦。佢呢一個身心仍然係喺輪迴裏面，仍然有呢個我嘅一個存在喺裏面，所以咧就要去淨化自己啦。
In contrary, there is nothing since the beginning. In conclusion, there is nothing, not self, not me, not I, since the beginning. So just changing the view, things change.
而六祖慧能嘅睇法咧，佢係轉過另一個角度去睇，佢係話菩提本無樹，即係根本一開始就冇一啲嘢冇一物存在喺度。
We still have this I. I am sitting here. It's me. I'm painful. I'm happy. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. Scary is I. Me is inside here. So what to do? We do not see this thing yet.
如果我哋仍然有一個我喺呢一個生死輪迴裏面啦，咁就會有一啲好多嘅擔憂出現啦。譬如呢一刻我坐得好痛啦，我又要去舒緩下，我好肚餓啦，又想食嘢。呢個係因為仍然有個我喺度，所以就有呢啲咁嘅問題啦。仍然未見到呢個胡祖偉能所講，其實一開始根本就冇我喺度嘅。
When I was in school in Australia doing my PhD, I found his book. At that time, I'm not interested much into Buddhism, just practice like all of us. Oh, Buddhism means sitting. Okay, sitting. No, nothing much. But I found his book in the library, English version, the Tun Huan platform translation. I read it. At once, the whole book, one time finished, and forget everything, cannot, because I did not understand. But I don't know why I have to read it. Very difficult to read. But later on, I appreciate it very much.
咁師傅以前咧，佢喺澳洲讀書，佢讀緊呢個博士學位嘅時候，佢就喺圖書館就見到呢一本書，呢本書就係頭先嘅呢個偈嘅出處，就係呢個六祖慧能嘅語錄，呢個壇經六祖壇經。佢當時師傅係未對佛教或者佛法有好多嘅興趣。當時嘅師傅覺得即係佛教咪就係坐喺度咯，打坐咯，冇乜嘢啫。咁但係當時縱使佢唔係好有興趣啦，但係佢都有一種嘅唔知點解要覺得要讀晒成本書，就唔知點解要讀晒成本書啦。咁之後咧喺佢嘅修行裏面咧，佢就慢慢咧就越嚟越中意呢本書，發現佢嘅意義。
The answer will be in the study of the Four Noble Truths. When we understand Four Noble Truths, that is a way to see that actually there is nothing since the beginning.
呢一個嘅答案啦，就係喺而家講緊嘅《轉法輪經》入面。因為如果一個人佢真正明白四聖諦嘅話，就會明白其實一開始根本就冇一物，冇嘢存在。
Go back. First, we have to know the five aggregate first.
我哋首先要去認識一下五蘊究竟係乜嘢先。
Aggregates mean it exists and always combines. Get together, we call aggregate. No matter what, it's always get together.
咁呢個五蘊嘅意思，例如果英文啦，呢個 aggregate 係其中一個翻譯啦。呢個五蘊佢如果係巴利文係呢個 khandhas 啦，佢嗰個意思係講緊本來呢堆嘢咧，即係有一堆嘢咧，佢係總係一同存在，同埋係即係佢嘅存在係總係一同存在咁啦，係不論如何總係一同存在。咁就好似一個集合咁。咁呢個就係五蘊嘅呢個本來意思。
For example, the first one, rupa or the form. Example, the eyes. The eye. The eye see someone open the door. When the eye see the eye consciousness, the last one, vinyana, eye consciousness rise.
譬如舉一個例子啦，講到呢度五蘊，第一個係色蘊啦。咁啊，如果以呢個眼嚟作為例子，我哋嘅眼睛見到有人開道門，咁呢個就係即係由色蘊嘅角度去睇啦，或者係色蘊嘅部分去睇啦。咁呢個就係外界裏面有一個咁樣嘅事發生，然後就導致呢個眼色，即係第二個色，即係最尾嗰個意識個色，眼色嘅生起。咁呢一個咧就係即係五蘊嘅其中一個例子啦。
Example: the person who walk in is the novice, and in the hand of the novice carry durian.
譬如舉個例子啦，而家打開門入嚟嗰個人就係阿小沙彌，佢咧就帶住啲榴蓮行入嚟。
How do we know that this is a novice? This is durian. The perception, memory, work at that moment at once. This is how the five aggregate works. Work at once.
咁我哋點知道行入嚟嗰個就係小沙彌？點知道佢攞住嘅就係呢個榴蓮咧？呢個咧就係五蘊中間嗰個想蘊，亦都係認知嘅作用發生緊，我哋就知道啦。
Suddenly, again, the smell of durian spread in this hall. The nose consciousness work.
咁然後小沙彌攞住榴蓮啦，榴蓮就有好大陣味啦。呢個味咧就喺呢一個大殿裏面喺度散佈彌漫咁樣啦。咁呢個時候咧就係代表我哋嘅鼻嘅意識，即係五蘊第五個呢個鼻嘅識咧就開始作用啦。
When the smell coming out, there will be two groups. The first group, like Vedana, mental feeling, Vedana. The second, aggregate, like the smell of durian. The second group, do not like, ugly, yucky, do not like. 咁然後啲味就喺度散播啦，榴蓮味啦。咁呢度嘅人，在座嘅人就會分成做兩派啦。第一派就係嗰啲中意榴蓮味嘅人，就覺得好啊，有榴蓮味。有另一批人咧就覺得榴蓮呢啲味真係好難聞啊，好即係嘔心。咁然後就有呢個即係厭惡咁樣啦。咁呢個就係呢個第二個五蘊之中第二個呢個非能啊，呢個受咧喺度即係作用緊啦。Then both groups have different mental fabrication. Very quickly, the first group that like durian think so wonderful. We have durian. Another group think I will complain with the management. Why did you let durian come in here? 咁呢兩群人啦，就會開始有唔同嘅想法啦。譬如第一群人中意嗰啲咧，佢就仲會話榴蓮味實在太正啦，我會繼續享受呢種嘅榴蓮味啦。咁然後第二群人就覺得有冇搞錯？點解會有俾人帶榴蓮入嚟？然後就諗住去同即係啲管理員投訴，我哋點會俾啲咁嘅人入嚟帶住榴蓮？咁呢個就係即係行運啦 ，mental fabrication 就係第四個一個行運喺度作用緊啦。Five aggregate work by itself immediately. At once pop up. Can you control it?
咁呢個五蘊咧，佢就係經常係會係咁樣作用啦，佢係自己作用啦，係立即咁作用啦，就係即係道理選擇佢都係即係一個起，即係第二個就起咁樣咯。咁佢總係咁樣一齊作用嘅。
And then after that, the eye, the sixth sense of contact with other things, the five aggregate also work by itself, continuous work. Because we don't see it, that's why we think this is me, this is I like it, I hate it. But it works by itself without our consent.
咁譬如呢個榴蓮事件過咗之後啦，我哋嘅呢個六個根門或者所謂嘅感官啦，又接觸到其他嘅事物啦。咁呢一個五蘊咧，佢又再繼續咁樣自動咁樣運作，只不過係我哋平時見唔到佢係咁樣自動運作，所以咧就有一個咁樣嘅睇法，就係我中意緊，我唔中意緊。好似有一個我喺度主宰緊咁，但係其實呢五蘊佢不嬲都係會自己運作，而係就算我哋唔同意佢運作，佢都係咁樣運作，所以不能夠稱之為我嘅決定。
The eye is just the equipment. It's like a camera. The camera know nothing, just the lens, and the equipment in the camera. The ear is just like something that receives the wave, the sound wave. It's knowing nothing. So who knows? Which one that work? How do we know this is that? Who knows?
我哋嘅眼睛佢嘅作用，佢嘅即係結構同作用，只不過係就係好似一部相機咁樣，佢本身係唔能夠知道佢睇緊啲乜嘢。而譬如我哋嘅耳仔亦都一樣，佢只不過係一個好似收音、接受呢啲音波嘅一個裝置。咁究竟係邊個人喺度知道緊呢一啲外界發生嘅事咧？點解會知道？譬如呢一樣事物係邊樣嘢，咁樣去認清到呢一個作用嘅咧？
Eye doesn't know anything. Ear knows just the equipment to receive. Tongue also doesn't know anything. It just receive the taste. It's the equipment. The body also does not know anything. So the one who knows is the mind dog. This is the sixth sense dog. This is the mind dog.
呢一個眼耳鼻舌身啦，即係五感五個感官啦。佢哋只不過係一個好似儀器咁，譬如就係眼睛就好似相機呢個耳仔就好似一個即係咪咁啦，佢係收音。佢哋本身係冇一個咁樣嘅即係知道佢哋嗰個對象係乜嘢嘅功能。而認得出對象係咩功能嗰個咧，就係第六個呢個意，係佢先至能夠認得出係乜嘢。
Everything come back to the mind. The mind is the one who knows. The mind pass to the mind, and then the mind itself, whatever come in, is just knowing. 每一個嘅呢一啲接觸啦，佢最後
道嘅部分，然後經過咗呢一個意嘅一個作用啦，咁咧佢就即係呢個心就知道係我究竟睇到啲乜嘢啊，聽到啲乜嘢啦。
Human world work like this. Celestial world also work like this. The five aggregates, but different form. Different form.
我哋嘅人間，我哋嘅人類世界係咁樣運作啦。就算係喺天界、天人佢哋嘅運作都係一樣，只不過係有唔同嘅形式啫。
Animal also the same. The eye is just equipment, have to know by the mind. The same animal, hungry ghosts, hairy beings, all are the same.
就算係動物又好，餓鬼又好，地獄眾生都好，其實佢嘅運作方式都係一樣。譬如呢個眼睛，只不過係一個儀器，係一個機器咁樣啦。要知道佢睇到咗啲咩咧，都係要經過呢個第六嘅呢個意嘅部分先至知道。
If we reborn as dog, for example, as dog, we don't know we are dog, but we know that I like this, I like that. You hurt me, I have to run away. The same, five aggregate work the same way.
假設啦，我哋即係再生投生成為一隻狗咁樣啦，我哋唔會有一個有一種嘅知識知道我哋係一隻狗，我哋都即係淨係知道我哋咧即係狗嘅時候啦，我中意呢樣，我中意嗰樣譬如可能有人追我要打我咧，我就要逃跑啦。咁呢一個咧都係一個即係意嘅部分嘅作用。
Work the same way, except those lower realm of existence cannot come to study and feeling the body, feeling the mind like as human being.
Sorry, I just accept who?
They have five aggregates working exactly like us, but those who in lower realm of existence cannot come to study. They cannot feel their body, feel their mind. The dog cannot go and feel the mind, seeing how it works or whatever cannot.
咁呢個五蘊同埋呢個六根嘅運作方式喺輪迴裏面嘅各個各類眾生啦，都係一樣嘅。但係咧人類同埋嗰一啲三惡道，即係地獄惡鬼同畜生嘅眾生咧，有一個唔同嘅地方咧，就係三惡道嘅眾生咧，佢哋冇一個叫做念啦、正念嘅念啦，或者係覺知啦，佢哋冇一種咁樣嘅功能能夠翻去當下嘅存在。但係人咧係有呢種咁樣嘅即係功能嘅。
Hungry ghosts filled up with desire, too much desire, or they feeling hungry, wanting, overwhelming, cannot practice.
餓鬼咧，佢哋嘅心經常都係處於慾望之中啦，只係感受到慾望啦，太多嘅慾望啦，成日都係想要好多嘅嘢啦，所以咧佢哋係唔能夠修行嘅。
Healthy being, too much vedana, too much pain, no time, no sex, no every minute, every second, a lot of pain in hell, cannot practice.
地獄嘅眾生啦，佢哋淨係感受到痛啦，呢個就係五蘊嘅受嘅部分啦，痛受啦。咁因為太多嘅痛受咧，所以佢哋都冇辦法去修行。
celestial being, too much joy, party, everyday party, happy birthday, every day party, too much joy, cannot practice much, except those when they were human being, they practice mindfulness, they learn Buddhism, they have a habit. When they go up, rise up to heaven, they still Buddho Menato, Dhammo Menato, Sangho Menato. Then, whenever this world has the enlightened one, they will come down and study. Or in heaven also have Dhamma, we call Dhamma Council. They can continue practice. Otherwise, party, all the ways party. Wonderful.
嗰啲天人眾生啦，天神又好，天人又好啦，佢哋實在太多嘅快樂，日日都喺度開派對啊，日日都喺度生日派對，係咁慶祝。咁咧，佢哋就冇乜興趣去修行，除咗嗰一啲佢哋前生係作為人嘅時候咧，有呢個修行嘅習慣嘅人，譬如嗰啲就係、心裏面有呢個布多美拉陀啊、塔瑪美拉陀啊、辛格美拉陀嘅呢啲咁樣嘅人，之後成為咗天人咧，佢哋就有呢個修行嘅習慣，咁佢哋咧就會等待一啲譬如人類之中有一啲開悟嘅聖者，或者天人之中都有一啲開悟嘅聖者出現咧，咁佢哋就去即係去聽法去修行啦。但係如果唔係咧，因為淨係識得享受咧，佢哋就唔修行啦。
Because up there is opposite to hell, they have to receive their good karma, only good in heaven. So everything beautiful, joyful until the moment they are about to expire. Then they start to realize that, oh, this is impermanent. There is dukkha, but too late already, almost expired, and then expire from heaven.
咁咧，呢個天人同埋地獄眾生咧，其實就係啱啱有個相反。但係佢哋之間有一個共同嘅地方，就係佢哋都係俾呢一種手，即係一個係苦受咧，一個樂受啦，係不斷咁樣影響。咁呢啲地獄眾生就不斷咁樣受苦啦，好多痛啦；天人眾生就不斷咁樣好多嘅快樂啦。但係兩個一樣都係要直至呢一啲嘅譬如天人啦，佢快樂好盡啦，佢先至開始發現，咦，原來有苦嘅喎。咁但係到嗰個時候，可能已經太遲啦，即係冇乜時間修行。
So in many big temples, they make beautiful song, music when we walk in, it feels like heaven.
咁所以喺好多大嘅寺院或者廟啦，佢哋會嗰度嘅人啦，會整好多好好聽嘅歌啦。咁嗰啲歌咧，啲人聽到咧就會覺得自己好似喺天界咁啦。
Human world has happiness and suffering so clear. It's not as suffer as hell. Also, not always joyful because suffering is always there. It's clearly be seen, not like heaven. Even very rich, everything comfortable like the Prince Siddhartha or Yasa we studied yesterday. They still have some point that they see suffering in life. So human world is the best place to study Dhamma.
我哋嘅人間啦，呢個人類嘅世界啦，係苦樂參半啦。佢又唔係完全係好似地獄咁完全係受苦啦，亦都唔係好似係天界咁，淨係只有快樂啦。咁所以咧，有一啲嘅喺人類投身嘅人啦，就譬如我哋嘅佛陀，佢以前係呢個悉達多王子，或者係 呢個尋晚都提到咧，呢位 Yasa 呢位有錢人嘅仔都好啦，佢哋就算喺眾多嘅快樂之中咧，佢哋都仍然見到一啲苦喺度。所以咧，對於佢哋或者對於所有人嚟講咧，人間咧係一個好適合修行嘅地方嚟。
So when the celestial beings about to expire from heaven, they would bless those persons that may you be reborn in human realm, because to be human being, you can perfect your merits, wholesomeness, and can learn Dhamma to be free from the cycle of birth and death.
咁所以嗰啲即係喺天界將要耗盡福報嘅眾生咧，佢哋都會希望咧或者係即係嗰度嘅天人都會祝福其他嘅天人咧，佢哋能夠生於人類嘅世界，因為人類嘅世界咧先至比較容易啦，能夠去做好多嘅功德啦，能夠去學習佛法啦，最後咧就終於咧係可以達至脫離呢一個生死輪迴，所以咧人間對於佢哋嚟講咧都係一個有好好嘅地方嚟嘅。
The Buddha said, monk, bhikkhu, those human beings after death that will reborn in the good realm of existence can be compared to the dust in my nail, and the dust on earth. This means very little percentage. The dust in the nail, the Buddha will reborn again as human being or as celestial being. The rest of the dust on earth reborn again in this woeful realm of existence.
Not going back to human realm, but even lower.
Yeah, only comparable to the dust in the Buddha nail.
Yeah. So the little dust in the nail is going to the heaven.
To human being realm or heaven.
Okay.
So the good realm of existence only comparable to the dust in the nail of the Buddha.
Okay. 咁所以佛陀曾經對佢嘅比丘弟子講過咧，一個咁樣嘅比喻啦，就係講緊佢嘅手指甲之中嘅塵，同埋呢個大地上面嘅塵，即係好大嘅差距啦。呢個就比喻緊咧，能夠下一生做翻人甚至係天人嘅眾生咧，就如佢嘅手指甲之中嘅塵咁少。但係大部分嘅眾生咧，就好似大地上面嘅塵咁多咧，佢哋都係要去呢個沙漠度餓鬼畜生地獄。
The Buddha continued, those celestial beings after expiring only comparable those who be able to come back to the beautiful realm of existence can be compared to the dust in my nail. Those who expire from heaven and go down to the woeful realm of existence can be compared to the dust on earth.
同樣地，佛陀亦都即係話呢個天人嘅眾生之中咧，即係佢哋完成咗天人嘅一生之後，能夠翻嚟做人或者天人嘅眾生咧，就好似佢手指甲嘅塵係咁少，而大部分嘅天人佢哋即係受盡完結嘅時候咧，都係要去到呢啲咁樣嘅沙漠度，佢哋嘅數量就如呢啲大地上面嘅塵咁多，係咁大嘅差距。
And he continued to all realm of existence is the same pattern.
咁然後佛陀繼續講其他嘅輪迴裏面嘅眾生，譬如即係畜生餓鬼都好啦，能夠做到人同天人係非常之少， 去惡道嘅係大部分。
Because the karma we receive now is the combination of karma, consequences of karma in 100,000 kappa, 100,000 kappa, not 100,000 life. It still give fruit. So we don't know after this life which karma will give the consequences. Now we are lucky as human beings. That's why we have to learn and practice karma. Is the human being is the best place to go out of this cycle of birth and death.
因為我哋每一生當下啦，所經驗緊嘅業報啦，佢係嚟自我哋過往好多世。頭先師傅嘅講法係應該係數下幾多個零先，1000K、100K、10萬咁多業嘅咁多世裏面嘅一個業報。業因嘅結果啦，而家就受報啦。咁而我哋唔知道喺之前做嘅邊一世，之前嘅邊一世裏面做嘅業係我哋將要承受。咁所以我哋能夠再生為人咧，呢一個係一個幸福嘅事嚟嘅。我哋要趁住呢個機會咧，去收集佛法，然後咧去脫離解決呢一個輪迴。
Wherever we go, always go with the five aggregates, and always carry the view that five aggregate is me, is I.
我哋去到邊一個輪迴裏面嘅界別都好啦，我哋都係帶住呢個五蘊。我哋未開悟之前咧，我哋都係會有住呢一個咁樣嘅我嘅執着，或者一個我見一路伴隨住我哋，我哋覺得有個我喺度。
Then carry the view that these five, for example, we are good, we practice very well. So when we about to die, we can let go the body. Oh, the body is not me. It's not me. But inside the mind, still, I practice very well. Then good realm of existence will be the future. Still have I can let go. I can let go the body, feeling good to myself. Still have the view of I, big I inside. When we still have this I is filled with the karma from this life, from the past life, you mix together, carry on in the cycle of birth and death, forming a new form, new five aggregates, over and over and over.
我哋作為一個修行嘅人啦，任何修行人都好啦，佢可能呢一生佢修得好好，佢死嘅時候咧，可能夠好輕鬆咧就放下呢個身體，佢能夠見到呢個身體唔係我嘅，亦都唔係屬於我，我亦都唔係個身體咁樣樣啦。咁但係喺呢個心裏面咧，都仍然可能會有呢一個咁樣嘅見解，就係我係一個修得好人，或者係我係一個好人咁樣樣啦。咁因為亦仍然有呢種咁樣嘅我嘅一個見解喺度啦，咁咧就會仍然係投身去天界，即係佢修得好，我需要投身去天界，但係仍然會投身。咁所以咧，呢個就話俾我哋聽咧，一日我哋仍然有呢一個我嘅見解喺度啦，或者叫我見啦。一日咧就仍然有機會過去生嘅業咧就能夠即係喺過去生嘅業就能夠成熟，然後咧 就會製造咗下一生出嚟，然後又再製造新嘅五蘊，就不斷咁樣重複，呢、個就係輪迴啦。
Noble truth or Arya Satya. Satya here means the truth that apply to all sentient beings. Satya means the truth.
咁講到四聖諦或者係巴利文嘅 Arya Satya 啦 ，Satya Arya 即係聖啦，神聖嘅聖啦 ，Satya 即係諦啦。所謂嘅 Satya 或者呢個諦咧，即係講緊真諦嘅意思，就係、咩叫真諦咧？就係、對於所有嘅眾生都係適合嘅一個真諦，真理。
Arya Satya means the truth of what of five aggregates. Let's go on according to its true nature. Its true nature of five aggregates means whatever rise, whatever take birth, subject to old age, sickness, and death. Apply to all sentient beings.
咁個諦真諦係講緊咩啊？講緊就係呢一個五蘊根據即係真實嘅自然嘅運作咧，就係、任何會生起或者係如果係喺呢個眾生嚟講啦，會出生嘅話咧，咁咧佢就必定會老，必定會病，必定會死。
So we spend time learning hard, but finally you see the way like this. The truth is what? Is the unavoidable truth of the five aggregates. The first one, the truth about dukkha or suffering, which means that when five aggregates life is must have suffering one way or another, cannot avoid.
咁即係可能呢度有好多資訊啦，學習都唔容易，但係慢慢大家就會見到係點樣去修行啦，透過即係讀到呢啲資訊。咁第一個聖諦即係第一諦啦，就係、呢個苦，關於苦嘅聖諦啦。佢嘅內容就係講緊任何嘅五蘊嘅狀態，只要一日有五蘊喺度，就一日仍然會有苦，苦係一定會伴隨。
For example, if we drink a lot of water, we must have suffering.
Drink a lot of water.
If we drink a lot of water, we must have suffering.
譬如我哋飲咗好多水嘅話咧，咁我哋遲啲就一定會受苦啦。
I ask permission to release suffering first.
大家就會請求師父喺上可唔可以釋放下你啲痛苦啊？即係去接受啦。咁我哋而家就一齊釋放呢啲痛苦啦。